Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix camera not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First of all, simple tip that worked for me. You need to change the camera USB port to another port guys. Just try to change the USB port connected in PC. We have two ports in front. You just need to try connecting the another port and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down. Under the app permission, click on camera. You just need to turn on the camera access guys and let app access your camera. You just need to turn it on and you need to turn on the app that you are trying to use the camera. For example, in my case, I just use the camera in Skype. You just need to turn it on. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. In here, you just need to expand the camera section over here and you just need to right click on your camera and select uninstall device. And if you have any boxes in here, you should not check mark the boxes guys and then select uninstall. And after doing this, you just need to select the action and select scan for hardware changes. Now the camera driver will be reinstalled guys. As you can see over here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to open up Chrome and you need to search for the camera driver from your laptop manufacturer name. Let's say my laptop is Dell. You need to search for the Dell camera driver. Press enter. And now you will be get the official Dell site. Click on it and you just need to select the download option and download the driver guys. After getting download done, you just need to install the driver and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.